Ever ordered a rum and Coke on a Carnival cruise and got handed a Pepsi? Yeah, you weren't hallucinating. That actually happened. But guess what? Carnival finally came to its senses. After 5 long years of soda sadness, Carnival Cruise Line is officially breaking up with Pepsi and getting back together with its bubbly soulmate, Coca-Cola. Starting this summer and fully rolled out by September 2025, Carnival guests can finally order a Coke without hearing, "Is Pepsi okay?" Because no, Pepsi is not okay. It never was. This news has Carnival loyalists celebrating. Some literally used to bring their own 12 packs of Coke on board just to survive a 7-day sailing. That's commitment. And you know what? Carnival heard us. Carnival and Coca-Cola are both about fun, family, and unforgettable memories. Translation: we get it. You hated Pepsi. Here's what you'll find on board. Coca-Cola, regular, diet, zero, caffeine-free. Sprite and Sprite Zero, Fanta. Orange Barq's root beer, hello, ice cream float at swirls. Powerade in multiple flavors, Topo Chico in lime, tangerine and blackberry. Fairlife protein shakes for the gym goers. Club soda, tonic and ginger ale too. And for the Dr. Pepper cult, it's currently only on Galveston and New Orleans ships, but may expand soon. Even Carnival's legendary brand ambassador John Heald had fun with it. I prefer Pepsi. So if you drop Pepsi, then I will cruise with another cruise line. Soda pressing. So whether you're Team Topo by the pool, Coke at the comedy show, or just glad you can stop smuggling 12-packs in your luggage, this is a win for flavor, and honestly, a win for cruise sanity. What drink are you most excited to sip on board? Drop your dream drink order in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop an anchor on that bell for more cruise news, rumors, and refreshment revelations. This is Lido Deck News, fully automated, slightly carbonated, and never asking if Pepsi is okay.